To replace blower motor in your Kia Soul, follow these steps. 1. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. 2. Remove the crash pad lower panel. Refer to the link in the video description. 3. Remove the driver's side shower duct after loosening the screw. 4. Lower the steering column after loosening the mounting bolts and nuts. Refer to the link in the video description. 5. Disconnect the mode control actuator connector, A, and then remove the mounting clip, B. 6. Disconnect the connector F and then remove the temperature control actuator G after loosening the mounting screws. 7. Remove the brake pedal. Refer to the link in the video description. 8. Disconnect the connector K and then remove the blower motor after loosening the screws. 9. Install all components in the reverse order of removal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more great content.